Happy Monday, you guys. I meant to do a little quickie IGTV video on brows, and with this huge 72, the number 7 and the number 2. With that thing going on, the flash sale, I have been freaking slammed. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going live because I'm trying to help my girl Pam and, you know, mark off her wish list and spread confidence. How are you guys doing today? So brows. I did a little graphic on where in the heck do you put these brow things? So get a stick or a brush. This is a brow pencil. That's where your brow starts. Like, use the side of your nose. Don't go up your nose. Use the side of your nose. That's where it starts. That's your arch. That's where it ends. You can see I got a little gappage right there, okay? Start, middle, end. Keep in mind, brows are not twins. Brows are sisters. They should slightly not match because then they look fake. That's personal preference. But go with the natural, you know, browage that God gave you. If you don't have brows, Joanne. Oh, I'm sorry. No, Joanne's one of my brow models. There's so many different ways to brow. I use our Esteem Lash Serum on my brows, so they've totally gotten not only my lashes longer, thicker, fuller, they have gotten, you know, help fill in them brow bald spots that we get when we do that over 40 thing. So the brow pencil is one option. Personally, to get more bang for your buck, the brow palette is gonna last you like, okay, the brow pencil is gonna last you like a couple months with daily use. This brow palette, when you grab the brow artist brush, or this is the brow spoolie brush, or we have a brow artist brush, which of course I set down somewhere and now can't find. Brow artist brush. This is gonna last you like 9+ months. So I'm gonna do one side with the brow palette, following my brows, and then I'm gonna do the other side with the pencil, just to show you. So the brow palette comes in light, medium, and dark. These are powder to do like gradient brow, however you want to brow. These are cream for highlight, oops, fixers. And this is setting gel. Basically, remember Aquanet from the 1980s? Like it would just stick straight up. That is going to keep it set without all the toxins and chemicals in Aquanet. Waterproof, smudge proof, me proof, you proof. Really is. It really is. So I'm going to start with the light, and again, we have 3 options. And following my natural brow, go up. I'll do a little like gradient brow just to kind of give you guys an idea. Then with a darker shade. Now remember, my brow on this side needed a little tail action. My brow needs some tail. Anybody got a fix for it? And then you get your setting gel and you go bloop. Got brows, got brows. Then if you want to highlight, see, I'm glad I did the no makeup look on my eyes today, because you could totally like see my brows better. Now why brow? Brows are the archways to your face. Brows frame your face. I have a little homework assignment for you guys, okay? The next 5 people you meet or see, look at their brows. And you're going to realize that subconsciously, you don't even realize you were looking at people's brows, and you're looking at their brows, just like you look at if they have crooked teeth. Serious. True story. The more filled in our brows, we look younger. Our face, you know, it makes our eyes pop. It makes everything pop, look whiter, brighter, more beautiful. And we are strutting around all confident like. Okay, brow pencil. Comes with a little spoolie. Honestly, the only thing I use the brow pencil for is when I do a mascara oops and I don't feel like, you know, removing all my eyeshadow on an oops. That's what I mainly use this brow liner for. But I like showing you guys options. So I use dark. Okay, so if you've seen the movie Friday, you guys are going to get this. The lighter the hair, the darker the brow. Get it? So pretend, okay, say you don't have brows. You want to create a brow using start, middle, end. I am not a good one to showcase this. Perhaps Joanne will give me permission to use one of the many pictures I have taken of her. And you just follow your natural brow, and there you go. Which brow do you guys like? Pencil or brow palette? You can also, okay, brows have so many options. You could also use palette 1. You can also use pencil liner. See, you could also use pencil liner. This is, oh, okay, that looks way better. And that's not even sharpened to low. So browing, it's a big deal. Don't leave your house unless you brow. Please ask me any questions, because I'm your personal beauty consultant, Renee, and let me know how I can help you. I can help you choose the right palette color or brow liner color, or if you like multi-use versatile products and want to do like, you can do your entire face in this. Yeah, look, highlighter, blush. Actually, that's more of a highlighter. That's more of a blush. Like, look, brow, luminizer. You can do a little boop. Okay? Ask me. I am here to spread confidence and help you. I love you guys. Thank you for joining me, Renee, at 5 Min Makeover. And let's get our brows going. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.